In a bustling metropolis, a network of sensors feeds real-time streams into a single insight engine that never sleeps. Rather than raw data, it outputs practical recommendations for traffic flow, energy use, and emergency response within minutes. The system learns from outcomes, refining its models as neighborhoods adapt, turning abstract analytics into actions people feel. Experts describe it as a new breed of technology insight that blends transparency with proactive decision-making. As pilots scale citywide, residents notice smoother commutes, lower emissions, and a curbside of data-driven care.